Next is the credit/debt section. This is where you can keep track of credit cards, lines of credit, mortgages, loans, or any other debts you want to monitor and pay down. To add an account, select Add Item. First, enter the name of the account and confirm the category. Next, enter the minimum monthly payment, followed by the payment due date. Then enter your current statement balance. If you'd like, you can also enter the APR or interest rate for your own reference. As you make payments throughout the month, enter the amount under Actual Payment this month. Next, choose whether the payment is made manually or through autopay. Leave the status as active and select the appropriate debt type, such as a credit card, mortgage, fixed loan, or other debt. Finally, select Add Item to save the account. Once the account has been added, each month you can simply enter your payment in the Actual Payment field. The planner will automatically update the status, your total monthly payments, and the remaining balance displayed at the top of the section. If your statement balance, minimum payment, or any other details change, you can update them directly in the appropriate field at any time. There's no need to edit the account first. This section is also linked to the Savings and Debt Progress page, where you can track your debt reduction over time and watch your balances decrease as you continue making payments.